up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something cool planned for you guys. As you guys can see, the Sangoma is parked behind me if you guys have been watching the build. If you haven't, please check out our videos on the build series on this car. We've got a few more things left to do before we send it off to get sprayed, get those touch-ups done, and then maybe the car might be for sale. As you can see, this is my E46 M3, my daily driver. This car's got over 520,000 Ks on the clock. Still driving every day. I love it to bits. But obviously, you know, it comes with its E36 problems. As you can see, the door panel and stuff is all out. We have to change the mechanism and do a few more things on this car. So stay tuned. We are going to start working on it soon. But as for today, we're going to be doing a review on my brother's Laguna Seca Blue M3. This has been a childhood dream car for me. I've always loved this car. I'm sure a lot of you guys love these cars as well. So let's get into it. This car has been sitting outside for a long time. As you can see, our priorities are in the garage. So let's get this car for a wash and we can get started. So this particular example of E46 is spec'd in Laguna Seca Blue. It's got all the optional extras of the xenon headlights, sunroof, as well as the 19-inch diamond cut wheels. Look amazing on this car. This car is also lowered on AP Racing coilovers. Gives it a nice stance and the car handles really well with it. It has the S54 motor, commonly known for rod bearing issues, but luckily this one has been sorted. All the preventative care has been done on it, as well as the unit chip. This car has been unit chipped, and it has a decat with the X-pipe, so it sounds amazing. These cars are known for their raspy noises, and this car with the X-pipe sounds amazing. Cue a clip. So for the inside, this car is spec'd with the SMG gearbox, which at the time you could either get the cars in a manual or SMG, which was technically automatic, but in actual fact it's just a single clutch gearbox that's controlled by a hydroelectric clutch. You're able to control how aggressive you want the clutch from this button over here. It goes away all up to 6, and if you put it in the 6 setting and keep it in sport with traction off, you will activate the launch control. A lot of people say this is the Achilles heel of these cars. They are temperamental. Because when something fails on these gearboxes, you're looking at a 20 to 60k bill, and nobody wants one of those. A lot of people hate it, a lot of people love it. I genuinely love it. If you know how to drive these cars, you'll have a lot of fun with it, especially for the downshift. They sound amazing on these cars, and I genuinely feel like it shifts faster than a human, but we can put it to try. But enough of me talking. Let's get this car started and show you what it's all about. That's it from us, guys. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe, turn on notifications so you're up to date with our latest content. Peace.